Okay guys, here's an outside shot of the fast lane helicopter from Toys R Us. This is a Toys R Us brand, by the way. I didn't know Toys R Us made their own generic RC toys, but this one is. And I figure there's still a little bit of daylight left, and we're gonna give it a shot out here. It's fully charged, so we'll give it a shot. And the wind is relatively calm right now. It's not crazy windy, so let's see how it does. I would say one thing about this helicopter, it takes a little bit of time to get synced in. Well, it's synced right now, so let's go. See, right now I'm giving it full forward throttle, and you can see how slow it moves on forward movement. And again, it's not so windy right now, but you can see how much the wind is affecting the movement. I have full forward throttle right now. That's how fast it's going. So you see the forward movement is there. Let's try backwards. Okay, backwards is good. Let's get it down. But ultimately, it is very stable. You can see it's not all over the place. Again, it's just the forward movement and backward movement is a little questionable, but it works. It works. I think lower to the ground, it moves better. So, just gonna have a little bit of fun with it out here. Yeah, sometimes I can't look. All forward right now. And other than the wind pushing it, it hovers pretty okay. Going sideways, let's go back this way. I think we have a wind going this way, as you can see. Let's try to bring it back against the wind. See, it's not happening. Not happening. Yeah, so to fly this thing outside, you're gonna have some fun with it, but again, you're gonna be battling the wind a lot. Right now, as I'm facing this way, it looks like it has somewhat of a headwind, more of a headwind than a crosswind, because it's like going this way. But you see when I turn around that the forward movement is gonna be much faster, because again, the wind is blowing the other way. So watch this. You see that? You see how faster it's going forward? Because the wind, now it has a tailwind pushing it. So, but there it is. That's your fast lane jawbreaker helicopter from Toys R Us. For 30 bucks, I mean, for an outside helicopter, I don't think it's that bad. And again, you can fly higher and higher. Not bad. Let's turn around. So yeah, other than the wind, you know, battling the wind on and off, this thing is pretty fun, I would say. It's not so bad. I'm getting my money's worth here. It has no problem climbing though, I can tell you that much. And it's pretty stable. Perfect beginner's helicopter if you want to learn how to fly this thing outside. This is a perfect beginner helicopter, not too fast for you. It's not going to move too fast ahead for you. Let me see. There's a feature that allows for faster controls with this right here. So let me press it and see what happens. Sorry, there was a car coming. So I just pressed that button, but not much is happening. So it looks like this is the best it can do as far controls. Gonna test the altitude performance here. Oh, this thing flies. Alright, come on back down. Wanted to see how far up it'll go. There it goes, climbing. Yeah, it's about to die, guys. Yeah, that does it. That does it. Get you a good 7 to 10 minutes fully charged. Think you get your bang for the buck with this one. Hope you guys enjoyed it.